Have you ever felt like the odds are stacked against you when it comes to dating women? In my decade of experience coaching men on their social and dating lives, I've noticed a common theme. Many men face an uphill battle, not just in attracting women, but in keeping that special, fun, and amazing girl they desire. Why is that? Because they often start from a position of low status and low value in the eyes of these women. If you've been putting in effort, getting phone numbers, going on dates, but find that women are cancelling plans, flaking, or just not prioritizing their time with you, it's likely because they don't see enough value in being with you. Perhaps you've noticed the spark fading early on, felt a pit in your stomach as things start to change, or found yourself too intimidated to pursue the women you truly want. This all boils down to a status deficit. If women saw enough value in being with you, they'd be the ones pursuing you, and they wouldn't cancel on you. High-value men never have trouble finding someone to spend a Friday night with. When you elevate your status, you'll notice a shift in the dynamic. Suddenly, you're the one women are eager to spend time with. They'll prioritize you, make themselves available, and it won't feel like a struggle to get their attention. Now let's test this. Imagine a girl you're into has a birthday coming up. What would you do? A. Buy her a thoughtful gift and plan out your birthday message in advance. B. Use it as an excuse to ask her to hang out. Or C. Didn't even realize her birthday was near. The correct answer is C. If she's not your girlfriend or wife, you shouldn't even be thinking about her birthday. Too often, I coach men who are obsessing over a girl's birthday after just a couple of dates, planning every detail months in advance. This is where nice guys go wrong. They think they need to do something to win her favor, believing occasions like birthdays are opportunities to score points. Remember this: the one who tries harder holds less power. The average guy overextends himself when he's into a girl, and women pick up on this quickly. It's almost impossible for a woman to stay attracted to a man when she feels like she's in control of the dynamic. That's why in this video I will be sharing 8 key strategies to boost your status in the eyes of a woman and inevitably make her chase you. Be a challenge. Number 1, be a challenge. Being a challenge is a concept you've likely heard before. People often say you should play hard to get, but why does this tactic actually work? The answer lies in human psychology. We're wired to place more value on things we have to work for, and dating is no different. If a woman doesn't have to make any effort to earn your attention or affection, she won't fully appreciate your worth. However, this isn't about playing games or being distant just for the sake of it. The real goal is to create excitement and intrigue, which naturally pulls her in. So, how do you become a challenge? First, stop being a pushover. Be open, but don't hesitate to challenge her opinions when they don't align with yours. Confidence is key. Women are drawn to men who stand firm in their beliefs and aren't afraid to express themselves. More importantly, they're attracted to the thrill of a challenge, the excitement of pursuit. By giving her that sense of the chase, you become someone worth pursuing, and she'll find herself drawn to you time and again. Stop bragging about yourself. Number 2, stop bragging about yourself. Let me ask you this. Do you enjoy being around people who can't stop talking about themselves? Or do you prefer those who stay humble no matter their accomplishments? Most of us prefer the latter. Yet when it comes to social settings, many guys can't seem to stop bragging about themselves. One often overlooked key to getting a woman to pursue you is simple. Stop turning every conversation into a self-promotional reel. Trying to impress her with talk about your fancy car, your job title, or how great you are actually has the opposite effect. Instead of coming across as confident and successful, you end up looking insecure and desperate for validation. A much better approach is to shift the focus away from yourself. Show genuine interest in getting to know her. When you take the time to understand her and show that you value a real connection, you'll spark her interest in keeping you around, and she'll be eager to chase after that connection. Don't try too hard. Number 3. Don't try too hard. Trying too hard sends the wrong message, and it's a sign that you're forcing a connection, which is never the right approach. And honestly, that shouldn't feel good to you either. So, how do you win her over without coming off as someone who's trying too hard? Confidence is your foundation. Be assertive, but not desperate. Show her you're interested, but don't make her the center of your universe. It's about balance. Be engaged, but not overly eager. That classic advice of being interested, but not too interested, holds true. Another key factor is maintaining a bit of mystery. Don't be too available, or the one always initiating. Let her wonder what you're up to, creating intrigue and curiosity. What you want her to understand is that while you're interested, you're not going to lose yourself or overinvest. Spend time together. Number 4, spend time together. One of the simplest ways to make a woman want more of your company is by ensuring that every moment she spends with you is enjoyable. The formula is straightforward. Discover her interests or hobbies and build your time around them. If she's into sports, take her to a game. By doing this, you're tapping into what excites her and turning it into shared experiences. What's more, fun doesn't have to be expensive. Even simple activities like taking a walk or having a cozy movie night can leave a lasting impression. It's all about quality over quantity. When she begins to associate those fun, meaningful moments with you, she'll naturally look forward to creating more. That connection will drive her desire to keep coming back. Avoid being desperate. Number 5, avoid being desperate. A common misstep many men make is overwhelming the woman they're interested in with constant communication, texts, calls, or emails, until your name is all she sees on her phone. While staying connected is important, bombarding her with attention comes across as desperate and can quickly diminish attraction. Instead, it's essential to show that you have your own life, especially when you're not together. If you've ensured she had a great time during your last meeting, step back and give her the space to miss you. Chasing her relentlessly leaves no room for her to reciprocate. Limit your communication to a few times a week and allow her the opportunity to respond. By pulling back, you create the space for her to want more, and that's how you shift the dynamic in your favor. Keep her intrigued by adding an element of surprise. Number 6, keep her intrigued by adding an element of surprise. One secret many men overlook when they want a woman to pursue them is the importance of keeping things exciting. Introducing small but thoughtful surprises can make all the difference. For instance, if you usually send her a good morning text, switch things up with a good night message instead. It's a simple shift, but it adds an air of unpredictability to the relationship. These little changes keep her engaged, wondering what pleasant surprise might come next. However, be mindful not to overdo it. The goal is to build anticipation, not create confusion. You want her to be curious and eager to invest more in the relationship, not distance herself from it. Establish boundaries. Number 7, establish boundaries. One critical mistake men often make is waiting too long in a relationship to set the tone. By defining boundaries from the start, you establish what is acceptable and what isn't. If she frequently cancels plans or fails to show up without a valid reason, it's crucial to address this behavior. Tolerating such actions can lead her to take you for granted. When you accept disrespect, you send the message that you don't value yourself enough to stand firm. If you don't recognize your own worth, how can you expect her to? By setting boundaries, you demonstrate that you are a confident man with standards, making it clear that you won't accept anything less than what you deserve. Be ambitious. Number 8, be ambitious. Ambitious men are a rarity, and women actively seek out these individuals. But what makes ambition so attractive? An ambitious man lives a life filled with purpose and meaning, and this drive and passion can be truly infectious. When you are ambitious, it shows that you're not just a dreamer. You're someone who takes actionable steps to turn those dreams into reality. This ability to manage responsibilities and build a future together makes you an appealing partner. Women are unlikely to want to let go of a man who embodies these qualities. By embodying ambition, you position yourself as someone who is capable and inspiring, making you someone they want to chase. All right, that's it for this video. If you gained any insight, hit the like button and don't forget to share your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.